Magandang gabi, magandang umaga, magandang hapon sa lahat. Gerard Claudio here. Sa video na to guys, ang pag-uusapan natin is paano mo mapapalago ang network marketing business mo gamit lang ang phone mo. Sa tingin mo ba may paraan kung paano mo mapapagawa ang network marketing business mo gamit ang phone mo? Yes, may paraan po. And there are only two ways, not only, but I believe two major way to use your phone to grow your network marketing business. Ready ka na ba? Type mo ready kung ready ka na. Okay? So let me give you that. The first one is use your phone to have more conversations. And number two, use your phone to create content. That's it. And I believe most network marketers are maybe watching this video and say, ginagawa ko na yan. Ito, alam mo, isang bagay lang talaga napapansin ko. Every time that I teach people strategy and system, they would often say, alam mo siya, alam ko na yung gagawin ko. Alam ko na yung ginagawa ko. But I realize is, iba yung alam mo na, iba yung paulit-ulit mo siyang ginagawa for a long period of time. Everything that you want in life boils down to what you establish as a habit. Alam niyo ba yon? And kung meron kang phone ngayon, you will never grow your network marketing business by simply scrolling. Unless yung pagsuscroll mo is getting idea from content, po pwede yon. Pero simple scrolling can devastate your network marketing business. Alam mo ba yun? Pwedeng sirain ang pagsuscroll lang ang network marketing business mo dahil nauubos mo yung time mo. Business ako rin. Sinasabi ko sa inyo kasi ako nag-fall din ako doon. Napakadali po ma-distract right now kasi your gadget, your phone who is very powerful, is so powerful. Okay? Na talagang ako naniniwala ako that we have a golden opportunity sa taong ito, even in the next couple of years, to grow our network marketing business dahil sa mga technology na meron tayo as of the moment. Agree ba kayo doon? Type mo agree. But I think there's also one aspect na kailangan natin maintindihan that technology also may dala din niyang consequence kung hindi tayo marunong gumamit. And so, if you would ask me, Gerard, how do I grow my network marketing business using my phone? Content and conversation. Content and conversation. That's it. Make sure you use your phone to have more conversation with people, and make sure you use your phone to create more content. Kung tatanungin mo ko, Gerard, what if hindi ako magko-content, baka conversation lang ako? Walang problema. Choice mo naman yan. Pero kung akong tatanungin mo, why choose if you can have both? Guys, ito lang marami akong napapansin ng mga network marketers. So, Gerard, ayoko lumalabas ng bahay. Gusto ko nasa bahay, gusto ko grow network marketing business mo. Okay, good. Then create content. Ayoko mag-create ng content. Alam mo, diretso ang usapan, you will never grow your business na nasa bahay ka na hindi ka mag-content. I'm just saying it. Sinasabi ko lang sa inyo. Sinasabi ko lang to na hindi ka mag-grow ng network marketing business mo nang hindi ka nagka-create ng content kung nasa bahay ka. Otherwise, lumabas ka na lang at saka magkakapag-usap ka ng face-to-face sa mga tao. But if you think and you expect your network marketing business to grow without creating content, no. If you expect your network marketing business to grow without creating conversations, then I might say, I'm really sorry, I don't think that will work. Unless meron ka ng mga, there are ways to really do automation in network marketing. But if you will ask me, those are two ways to really grow your network marketing business gamit lang ang phone mo nasa bahay ka. Use your phone to create more conversations and use your phone to create content. Which means, kung ito ngayon, nakikinig ka ngayon sa akin, ito yung mga metrics na kailangan mong i-check. Ilan sa mga content mo really creates curiosity sa mga posts, sa mga clients mo. At ilan doon yung nakaka-attract ng quality prospect. The only metrics that you need to watch in creating content is ilan yung nagtaas ng kamay and say, gusto ko malaman yung ginagawa mo. Okay? That's very important. There are some of you might be watching me, freelance ka, possible na sa pag-freelance is maybe you are a social media branding strategist, and ang metrics mo for your social media is number of engagement, number of reach, alam mo yung mga ganun. I'm not saying it's wrong, pero the only metric na kailangan nating bantayan, ilan yung nagtaas ng kamay and say, Gerard, gusto ko yung ginagawa mo. Gerard, I want to do what you're doing. If hindi yun yung nagiging purpose ng content mo, then I don't think Guys, hindi ko sinabing i-flood mo ng products mo, hindi ko sinabing i-flood mo ng cheque ang content mo. Hindi yun yung point ko. In fact, I'm saying to people that there has to be a ratio when you create content. So, actually, nandyan yan sa Pinoy Network Marketing Success Blueprint. Go ka to pinoynetwork.org. I dedicated, I think, 1 to 2 modules out of that, no, sa part na yan. So you can go there, pinoynetworker.org, you can check that one. Anyway, so yon, okay? So I mean to say, the metric that you check para mag-grow yung network marketing business mo, ilang content ginagawa mo. And at the same time, ilang conversations ang nakakreate mo. So, maraming aspect tong tinatawag na conversation. Possibly inisip, so ano Gerard, kasi burnout na ako, grabe yung ano ko, ilang buwan ko na itong pina-follow up, hindi pa rin. I mean, if you do your content right, you'll never have a problem with conversations. Sasabihin ko sa iyo, kung gagawin mo na maayos sa pagka-content, hindi mo magiging problema ang conversations. Because the goal in network marketing is to create conversations. Now, ako personally, guys, I have my automation aspect in my business. Okay, may automation aspect ako sa business ko. But even that, hindi ko tinatanggal yung human aspect na nakikipag-usap ako sa tao. I still talk to people. There's no 100% automation. There's always a human aspect into it. Yes, I can teach you how to do automated recruiting, possible, but you got to understand there is a conversation aspect to the business process. Maliwanag po ba? Type nyo nga clear, type nyo nga yes sa may comments. So kung hindi ka nagkakreate ng content right now, I may doubt na mananalo ka online. So ito, diretso ang usapan na lang guys, unfiltered to. Kung hindi ka nagkakreate ng content online, and it doesn't create visibility, it doesn't create visibility, at hindi ka nagkakreate ng content online, huwag ka nga asa na maglalago ang business mo gamit ang phone. I would suggest magbahay-bahay ka. I would suggest you go out there and have a personal conversation with people. Hindi ko sinabing masama yun. I have a teammate who is amazing at that. May mga teammate ako na ang galing nila sa face-to-face, sa offline. Sabi ko, tuloy nyo lang yan. Tuloy nyo. Sabi ko, magandang ano yan, magandang way to really grow your business. But ikaw nakikinig ka ngayon sa akin at gusto mong i-win at manalo sa online, very simple. You got to create content and make sure that your content is creating conversations. Maliwanag po ba? Type nyo nga clear sa my comment ko, maliwanag po. So, which means that's the two metrics na kailangan mo bantayan. At malalaman mo yan, the number of conversations, ilan dito yung na-invite ko. And the number na na-invite ko, ilan dito yung mga nagsa-sign up. That's how you're gonna look at your network marketing business. Clear? Now, I'm not saying offline doesn't work. Hindi yun yung point ko. Every single strategy works, guys. Mapa-offline man yan, mapa-face-to-face, mapa-one-on-one, mapa-big group, mapa-virtual Zoom, mapa-automation, everything works. As long as, I mean, gusto ko i-point out sa iyo is, ayokong i-box in lang na hindi nag-work ang offline. Hindi nag-work ang offline, online lang. Hindi. Anything works. But if gusto mo talagang kung gusto mo talaga na manalo sa online, yung digital internet home base, hindi po pwede natanggalin mo yung aspect ng pagko-content. Hindi talaga. I mean, ayoko kasi ng hindi pa ako ready, camera shy ako eh. Di wag ka mag-online. I mean, sorry. I mean, diretso ang usapan lang, no? I mean, ako, hindi ko alam kung bakit ganito ako mag-share. Pero every time that I share to people, say, ayoko kasing gawin. Ganun ba? Ganun ba? Eh di, wag ka na lang mag-online. Wag ka na lang mag-online. So, go to pinoynetworker.org if you have a question about that. Check that one. And, check kung if you think that course is right for you. Okay, maliwanag po ba? And create as many conversations as you can. If nagsisimula ka sa network marketing, isa sa mga bagay na minomonitor mo is ilan ang conversation, ilang nakakausap mo sa isang araw. Okay? I'm not saying you annoy people. There are ways to do it. Kaya go to pinoynetworker.org. I laid it down kung paano ka tamang makapag-usap sa tao. Check mo yung course na yan. You would really love every learning that you're gonna have there. Okay? Natututo pa ba? Type nyo nga learning kung natututo kayo sinasabi ko. So, again, two metrics if you're gonna grow your social media using your phone. Using your phone. Alam mo, isa sa mga bagay na gustong-gusto ko ng home base tsaka online is sobrang baba ng overhead expenses mo sa business. Wala kang gasolina, wala kang alam mo yun, napakababa. And I know this is what the offliners would often say. Syempre business yun, kailangan mag-invest sa business mo. Bakit sino ba sabi hindi ako nag-invest sa business ko? Nag-invest ako sa system. Nag-invest ako sa subscriptions. Nag-invest ako sa mga software na ginagamit ko. Do you think it's not an investment? But my point here is it's watch efficient kung matututunan mong gawin ang business ng online. Matututunan mo. And the basic core, if you're gonna ask me, ano yung pinaka-basic na core na pag-grow ng business? Watch your conversation and watch your content. You would know na effective ang content mo if the conversation is becoming easier. Ibig sabihin, mas napapadali yung ano mo. Ibig sabihin, people are not alienated when nagme-message ka sa kanila. So, dito nakaka-relate, no? Message dito, type nyo dito, relate. So, nyo dito, nakaka-relate sa inyo na may mga time na nagkipag-usap ka sa prospect, and ang respond ng prospect hindi maganda. Parang either negative, or ano na naman yan, wala na mga ganon, type mo relate, di ba? Alam niyo ba, if you create a decent content, hindi yung mga content na tinuturo sa hindi yung mga content na tinuturo sa mga mga content na parang ba't ganun yung mga content na tinuturo? Parang walang ka-branding na content, di ba? Pag hindi yung content na sinasabi ko, if you do the content right, the right way, maniwala ka sa akin, mas mapapadali ang pagkakaroon ng conversation sa mga tao. Maliwanag po ba? So, I hope you learned from this. Type nyo learning sa my chat, sa my comments. Nezamar, hello. Mayan, Kenny Ablaza, Salvador Melihor, Roma, kamusta kayo? I hope you guys are doing well. So, yun na naman for me, guys, no? Yan ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo. This is just a very, very quick live, and this is a very quick content. Yun yung dalawang metrics na kailangan mo i-check. And yun ang dapat mong gawing religiously every single day. Create a conversation and make sure you create a better content that gives people the curiosity. Anong ginagawa nito? I want to be a part of that person's team. Yun na naman for me, guys. God bless everybody. You guys are all amazing. Go to pinoynetworker.org, by the way. No? Marami akong nilay down doon, nilatag ng mga strategy na makakatulong sa'yo. Bye-bye.